Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to log out from Zoho app on PC. Zoho is a cloud-based platform that offers many online tools such as email, CRM, document editing, and project management. When you finish using your account on a shared or public computer, it is important to log out properly to keep your information safe. First, what you can do is you need to open to your PC, open any of the browsers that you prefer. And what you can do is you need to go to the Zoho website. In the top, there's an address bar. Type down zoho.com and enter it. And over here, make sure you are already logged into your account. And over here, once you get into this dashboard of this Zoho, look at the top right corner of the screen over here, and you will see this profile picture or the small circle with the initial. Over here, drop down menu will appear showing your account details and options. In this drop down menu, select to the sign out here. That is it. Once you click it, Zoho will log out immediately and redirect you to the Zoho login page. If you are using a shared or public computer, always log out and close the browser to protect your computer. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any queries or confusion on how to log out from Zoho app, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.